Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Just here with a quick video. Looks like I ordered the S22 Ultra in Phantom White. I pre-ordered this back on the 9th, and it was supposed to be delivered tomorrow on the 22nd, but instead, UPS was a little bit quicker, and it ended up coming in the mail today. So I just figured I would do a quick unboxing of the retail version of this device, since everything on YouTube right now is pretty much, the trial units. The box is, as you would expect, thin, because of course we get no chargers in the box. Gotta love what Apple started across the wireless industry, right? But here's the device. I'm not going to go through the entire box, as we all know nothing comes in there except for the cable and some pamphlets. But I did get the Phantom White version, which I don't think you've seen very often on other YouTube channels, because everybody either got the black or the red, and the white and green have been pretty sparse. But here we do have the silver trim with the matte white finish, which is gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let's just go ahead and have some satisfying peel off. I always love that. Not the same as when you hear it in the video. I mean, it's still satisfying, but it's much better when you're doing it yourself. But yeah, like I was saying, so I actually also ordered the black color from Best Buy, but of course they wouldn't let me pick it up early because it's Best Buy. So luckily I did order this one too. So far, I'm actually really digging the white. And of course the S Pen. Let's pull that out. You could definitely feel it's a little tight to come out, because it does have this soft touch grip on it, which if you could see, it does feel really nice when you're using it. It feels very nice. I have to say, I mean, I am using the Z Fold 3 right now to record this video, which I'm actually switching from to go to this phone. I do really like the size of the S Pen that is being used on the Z Fold 3, but of course, I'm pretty much in alignment with everybody else out there when I say that, if the pen is not included inside the phone, it's cumbersome to keep with you and get the full experience of a Note device. Now, while this is the S22 Ultra, I still have been calling it the Note 22 Ultra, at least to all my friends and everybody I talk to about it, because for all intents and purposes, this is a Note. I mean, if you can tell me how this is not a Note, uh, you know, I will say okay, but agree to disagree. But for Samsung, they call it the S22 Ultra, and that's fine. We can go with that, because the way the market looks right now, it looks like August is going to be the time frame for their foldables, which I think is going to pretty much end up taking the place of the Note line. So it just kind of makes sense. It does have some juice. I did get the Verizon version, so of course you have the logo here. No, I did not buy Unlocked for this one. I will have Unlocked for the black one. So while this takes its time to activate, just you can see on the right side of the phone here, you do have the volume rocker, you do have the power key, and you got that nice 5G ultra wideband antenna, which Verizon is aggressively building out right now, and that you'll only find on the American models. You won't find that on the European. The bottom do have the SIM tray, USB-C port, speaker, microphone, and of course your S Pen. And they have some regular antenna bands for Wi-Fi, 4G, 5G. Got some more over here. It does split the phone into different segments. You got another one on the top. You got your 40 megapixel selfie camera right up here, and then you have your 108 megapixel, your 10 megapixel, your 12 megapixel ultra wide telephoto, and secondary telephoto. Can't wait to get outside and test this bad boy with the 100 times space zoom, or as Floss likes to call it, scumbag zoom. One of my favorite terms, to be honest with you. Kind of gets me pumped about these phones every year. So yeah, just wanted to kind of give you guys a quick look at the retail version of this device. This is not a test unit. This is retail version. And if you guys have any questions or you want to know anything, feel free to leave comments below, and we'll engage in some good conversation. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.